Good morning students. Welcome to Gyanasya Gurukulam. In this video, we are going to study about the evolution of Earth. So do you remember in the last class what did we study? Origin of the Earth. Yes, origin of the Earth. Now evolution of the Earth. The three layers of the Earth, lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, they got evolved separately. The first layer to evolve was lithosphere. The earth, so can you see this is the earth, and when it was in its volatile stage, the initial stage is called the volatile stage. In this, the earth, in the atmosphere of the earth, there was only hydrogen and helium. Only hydrogen and helium were present. Why hydrogen and helium were present? Because earth comes from the sun, and sun also consists of hydrogen and helium. Then there was a gradual increase in the density. Due to this, the denser material got settled in the core. So can you see the denser material settled in the core, while the lighter material was situated at its periphery. Next, cooling take place, and due to this, the crust was formed. The crust was formed. Next, atmosphere and hydrosphere were evolved. So there are three stages. First one is the loss of primordial atmosphere. The earth consisted of hydrogen and helium, and due to the solar winds coming from the sun, the hydrogen and heliums were blown away. They were blown away. And in the next stage, degassing took place. Due to volcanic eruptions, gases evolved. Can you name which gas evolved from the volcanic eruptions? The answer is water vapor. So water vapor evolved from the volcanic eruptions, and when it got cooled, it led to the formation of oceans. So did you understand how the oceans were formed? When water vapor, which were evolved by the volcanic eruptions, they got cooled, the water settled in the surface of the earth, the vacant surface, and it led to the formation of oceans. In the next stage, photosynthesis took place. Life was confined to oceans only. So where was life first found? In the oceans. And there only plants were there, and photosynthesis took place. Photosynthesis took place inside the oceans, which saturated them with oxygen. Saturated means which filled them with oxygen. Later, this oxygen was released from the oceans to the atmosphere, and thus initially where was oxygen found? In the oceans, and then it was transferred to the atmosphere. So now our atmosphere primarily consists of nitrogen and oxygen.